Africa Content TV.
Àgbọ̀ kankan tó bá jẹ́ kọ́mọ àwọn ìjọba wa ni ṣé wọ́n á máa wòran wọ́n bá kọ́mọ wọn ni àbí fábìlì wọn ṣé wọ́n á máa wòran wọ́n ti pa àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà January wọ́n kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì wọ́n kó wọn kúrò èyí ò dáa kò ń ṣe àkókò àti máa campaign for election ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ kó tọ wọn lógún wọ́n gba àwọn èèyàn wálẹ̀ gbogbo kan tí ó bá ná wọn eléyìí yóò jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ ojúṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n gbà gẹ́gẹ́ bí adarí ìlú kò ń ṣe ká máa jó kiri ó dunni lógun ni jù òní mọ̀ tó fún lẹ́sẹ̀ sí àwọn kékeré wà lé àwọn ìyá àgbà wà lé they are just trying so please we are begging you.
My name is one of the parents. I'm using this opportunity to make our president. I'm using this opportunity to make our president to come to our aid. Baba Tinubu, please come to our aid in the Oyo State. We are begging you. We parents in Oyo State. We are begging our Baba Tinubu now. Please and please, over 2 weeks now. Our children in captivity. Please, we are begging you now in the name of God. Please, Baba Tinubu, come to our aid in Oyo State. Please, please, on behalf of the parents in Oyo State, please, we are begging you, Baba Tinubu. Thank you.
Don't sit down. Don't wait until you are president. It is something out to everybody. People must come out and protest. We should not stop now and protest. This is not the beginning. Nigerians, we've had enough. What we are seeing so far is as if government has failed us. It's as if the state government has failed us. What we have resolved tonight is separate. Part of the same now is protest. And we are saying the governor of Oyo State, wherever you are, come out and address the Nigerian people. We are also telling the NUT, it is not just enough for you to call for strike. Teachers must come out and protest. And we are also sending signal to private school owners. By tomorrow, any private school that is open, we will come there and shut it down. So get one. Parents get one. Please, suspend this interview for now. And join the protest. And look at what this is why we are here.
Suspend all interviews. Suspend all interviews. Suspend all interviews. Suspend all interviews. Everybody, please stand for a second. Everybody, go down the track. We can organize ourselves. We are young people. We can organize ourselves. Let the press capture the children. Let the press capture the fathers. So now, from the to come and join this protest today. And it is important that we are passing a message to the government that this is just a warning protest. That is just a what?
Warning protest.
This is just a warning protest.
are not released, we will continue to protest here throughout this week. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Number 2, if this week elapses and the government of Tinubu did not free our children, our teachers, by next week, we will be having a nationwide shutdown. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? But it will not be a nationwide shutdown.